Question 18. A Form 1 stream at Butere Mixed Day Secondary School has 15 boys and 25 girls. The probability of a girl reaching Form 4 is 2/5, and that of a boy is 3/5. If a girl reaches Form 4, then the probability that she gets employed is 2/3, while the probability that a girl gets employed without reaching Form 4 is a third. If a boy reaches Form 4, the probability that he gets employed is 3/4, while the probability that a boy gets employed without reaching Form 4 is 1/4. Part A, draw a tree diagram to illustrate the information above. Draw a tree diagram. So we are going to start from the first statement here. In this school there are 15 boys and 25 girls. So boy, girl, the first branch. So for the first branch, we have boy, girl. So since there are 15 boys and 25 girls, the probability of picking a boy will be 15 divided by the total. 15 plus 25, that is a 40. That is for a boy. Then for a girl, it will be 25 divided by 40. When you simplify these will give 3/8. And when you simplify for the girl, probability of choosing a girl, these will simplify to 5/8. So that is the first one, boy, 3/5, and then girl, 5/8. The probability that a girl reaches Form 4 is 2/5. The girl reaches Form 4. So we're going to have another branch here. This is a girl reach Form 4. So for reaching Form 4, I'll use R. Not reaching Form 4, I write R prime. Then for the boy, the same thing. So for the boy, reaches, doesn't reach Form 4. So probability of a girl reaching Form 4 is 2/5, like that. So not reaching will be 3/5. Remember the sum in each branch should be 1. 2/5 plus 3/5, that one should give 1. In every branch, you should not have anything less than 1 or greater than 1. So 3/5 plus 5/8, that one should give you 1. Then that of a boy reaching Form 4 is 3/5. So 3/5. So not reaching will be 2/5. Then the other statement, if a girl reaches Form 4, the probability that she gets employed is 2/3. The probability that she gets employed. So girl, when the girl reaches Form 4, this is the branch. So reaches Form 4. Getting employed, I'll use that. Not getting employed, I use E prime. So the same to this branch here. Employed, not employed. Then for also this one, I use employed, not employed. And then this one as well. So employed, not employed. So let me fill these. If a girl reaches Form 4, the probability that she gets employed is 2/3. Reaches Form 4 is given by this branch here. Girl reaches Form 4. The probability she gets employed is 2/3. So 2/3. So not getting employed will be a third. Then where the probability that a girl gets employed without reaching Form 4 is a third. Without reaching Form 4 for a girl is given by this branch R prime. So the probability that she gets employed without reaching Form 4 is a third. So that one will be a third. This one will be 2/3, like that. If a boy reaches Form 4, the probability that he gets employed is 3/4. Reaches Form 4 is here. So the probability of getting employed is 3/4. So not getting employed will be 1/4. Then without reaching Form 4 is given by this. So without reaching Form 4 and getting employed is 1/4, like that. So the other one will be 3/4. So that is the complete tree diagram with all the probabilities indicated. So from there you can simply add this one to just help you to work out. Boy, this boy reaches Form 4, gets employed. The other one, boy reaches Form 4, doesn't get employed. Then this one, boy doesn't reach Form 4, gets employed. Then this one, boy doesn't reach form 4, doesn't get employed. For this one, girl reaches form 4, gets employed. This one, girl reaches form 4, doesn't get employed. This one, girl doesn't reach form 4, gets employed. Then this one, girl doesn't reach form 4, doesn't get employed. So when it is like that, she's going to help you to work it out. Let's go to the questions. Part B, using your tree diagram, determine 1, the probability that a girl gets employed. A girl gets employed. So instances when a girl gets employed is in this branch. So this one is 1. So it is here, gets employed. That is a girl, reaches form 4, gets employed. And then girl doesn't reach form 4 and gets employed. That is what you're going to use. So those are the two you need to follow. You need to follow these branches very well. So girl reaches form 4, employed. Girl doesn't reach form 4, employed. So that one will be given by, so the first one, so we are taking either that GRE or the other one. This is G R prime E. And you know that all, when you have or in probability, or, that means that we're going to add the 2. So the first one is 5/8, follow that branch, 5/8 times 2/5 times 2/3, or the other one, which is here, 5/8 times 3/5 times a third, like that. So use a calculator to work out these. So the first one, 5/8 times 2/5 times 2/3, that will give us 6. Then this one will give 5/8 times 3/5 times 1/3. After multiplying and simplifying, that will give an 1/8. And when you add the 2, a 6th plus an 1/8, you get 7 divided by 24. Part 2, the probability that any child who has been to school gets employed. So for this question, the probability that you have been given is for the boy and the girl reaching form 4. But that does not mean that they never went to school. So they went to school, they have been to school, only that they never reached form 4. So for this one, when you're getting the probability that any child who has been to school gets employed, it is either the one who finished form 4 or the other one who didn't finish form 4. Because by whatever you're given here, the only thing that we have is that they never reached form 4 or they reached form 4, but they have been to school. So we are going to take the probability that any child who has been to school gets employed. That means the first one is boy reaching form 4 gets employed, and a boy doesn't reach form 4 because he has been to school. Only that he didn't reach form 4, never reached form 4, gets employed. That is another one. The girl reaches form 4, gets employed, and the girl doesn't reach form 4 and gets employed. So there are these 4 that I've ticked here. So you're going to multiply this branch. This one is 3/8. Sorry, this one is supposed to be 3/8. I wrote 3/5. Supposed to be 3/8. 3/8. And the boy, the probability that a boy, it is here. 3/8 and 5/8. Supposed to be like that. So we are going to take these branch here. So this is the branch, and then we have this one, 3/8, 3/5, and 1/4. So let me multiply them out. So the first one is 3/8 multiplied by 3/5 multiplied by 3/4. So 3/8 multiplied by 3/5 multiplied by 3/4, or you add the other branch is here, 3/8 times 2/5 times 1/4. So 3/8 times 2/5 times 1/4, like that. Or the other one is here, 5/8 times 2/5 times 2/3. So 5/8 times 2/5 times 2/3, like that. Or the other one is 5/8 times 3/5 times 1/3. So 5/8 times 3/5 times 1/3, like that. So that is how anybody who went through the school, only that they never finished Form 4, but they were in school and they got employed. So work out these 3/8 times 3/5 times 3/4 using a calculator and simplify. This will give 27 divided by 160. Then the other one is 3/8 times 2/5 times 4. These are going to give 3/80. Then the other one 5/8 times 2/5 times 2/3, 1/6. And then 5/8 times 3/5 times 1/3, that is 1/8. This one, when you add it, 27/160 plus 3/80 plus 1/6 plus 1/8, this will give 239 divided by 480, simplified form. We go to part 3, the probability that a boy fails to get employment. The boy fails to get employment. So the boy fails to get employment. Let's see. So either the boy finishes Form 4, fails to get employment, or the boy doesn't reach Form 4 and also fails to reach to get employment. So those are the two. So you're going to take this branch 3/8 times 3/5 times 1/4. That is the one that you're going to take. And then 3/8 times 2/5 times 3/4. So we add the two. So 3/8 times 3/5 times 1/4, or 3/8 times 2/3 to 2/5, sorry, 2/5 times 3/4. I've indicated up there how you take those branches. Then 3/8 times 3/5 times 1/4, that gives 9 divided by 160. 3/8 times 2/5 times 3/4, that gives 9/80. And then this one gives 27 divided by 160. We go to the last part. The probability that anybody who has studied up to Form 4 fails to get employment. Anybody who has studied up to Form 4. So it is either boy studied up to Form 4, that is reaches Form 4, gets employed, or probability of a girl reaches Form 4 and gets employed. So in this branch here, this is what you're going to take. So boy reaches Form 4, gets employment, then girl reaches Form 4, gets employment. Those are the two you're going to follow. So you're going to take this product 3/8 times 3/5 times 3/4, or 5/8 times 2/5 times 2/3. That is what you're going to do. So 3/8 times 3/5 times 1/4, or 5/8 times 2/5 times 1/3, like that. And simplifying these, 3/8 times 3/5 times 1/4, this gives 9/160. Then 5/8 times 2/5 times 1/3, that gives 1/12. And this one gives 67/480. So that is how you're supposed to solve that question.